90% of new faceless YouTube channels will fail in 2026 because they are picking the wrong niches. If you're still making generic motivational videos or basic content that everyone else is doing, you are invisible to the algorithm. But today I'm revealing 5 viral niches that are practically guaranteed to pass YouTube monetization and dominate the YouTube automation space this year. The last one on this list has such a high CPM, it's like printing money without ever showing your face. First up is historical war storytelling. Look at this channel, World War II Tales. They've already built a community of 174,000 subscribers, but the subs aren't even the most impressive part. Their popular videos are pulling anywhere from several 100,000 to over 1 million views each. This niche works because it targets a mature, loyal audience that watches every second of the video. In the world of YouTube business, high retention from a wealthy demographic is the ultimate recipe for a massive paycheck. The best part? You don't need to spend hours searching for rare archives. With modern AI tools, you can easily generate hyper-realistic, cinematic photographs of historical events that never existed on film. Niche number 2 is investigation documentaries, and this is what I like to call the gold example. If you think you need years of uploading to go viral, look at Zero Report. This is a brand new channel with only 27,000 subscribers. But here's the kicker. They've only posted 5 videos in total. Their first upload was just 3 months ago, and they are already hitting hundreds of thousands of views, with one video even crossing the 1 million mark. This proves that in 2026, the algorithm values deep dive, high-quality investigations over daily posting. If you can tell a gripping story, YouTube will find you an audience almost overnight. Next, we have corporate downfall. People love watching the big guys fall, and Wall Street Millennial is the master of this. With 360,000 subscribers, their new videos consistently hit over 100,000 views within days. This is a high-authority niche because you're talking about money, markets, and business failures. Think about the massive interest when a household name like Nokia, Blockbuster, or Kodak collapses. People are naturally fascinated by how these multi-billion-dollar empires could vanish overnight. It's like a financial thriller that everyone can relate to. Because of this, your ads are being served to high-value investors and professionals. This means your RPM is significantly higher than 90% of other categories on the platform. Moving on to niche number 4, which is mystery history. Then we have the giant of the mystery niche, the Y-Files. They've scaled to a massive 5.6 million subscribers, and for a good reason. Even their newest uploads easily cross 1 million views in record time. They combine science, mystery, and incredible storytelling. While this is a competitive space, the demand is bottomless. People are naturally curious about the unknown, and if you can provide a unique angle on hidden history, your growth potential is literally limitless. Finally, we have the goldmine of YouTube, luxury and wealth psychology. If you want to see how this is done right, look at Vibo. With over 527,000 subscribers, this channel has mastered the art of high-end storytelling. Think about it. Who is watching videos about billionaire routines or the psychology of wealth? It's entrepreneurs, investors, and high-net-worth individuals. For advertisers, these are the most valuable viewers on the entire platform. This means even if a video doesn't get 10 million views, the RPM is so high that it can outperform mainstream viral channels. YouTube in 2026 is no longer a hobby, it's a high-stakes business. As you've seen with channels like Zero Report and Vibo, you don't need to post every single day or show your face to dominate. You just need to pick a high-authority niche and tell a story that people can't stop watching. If you're ready to build a real faceless empire, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. The opportunity is right in front of you. Start today or watch someone else take your spot. I'll see you in the next one.